Are you tired of staring at the same walls and furniture every day? Thinking about selling your house or just wanting to kind of freshen things up but worried about the cost? Well, I've got some great news for you. Today we're going to talk about some simple home renovations you can do for under $5,000. These changes can boost your home's value or just give it a fresh new feel. And the best part, they won't break the bank. Hey friends, I'm Holly Smith with the Cherry Tree Realty team of Keller Williams Atlanta Partners. Let's start by talking about the kitchen. Replacing old appliances like your dishwasher or stove can be more affordable than you think. You can snag a brand new stove or dishwasher for under $500 each. A simple stainless fridge will cost you around $800. If you buy more than one appliance, be sure to ask the store about package deals or discounts, because you could save around $1,500 by doing that. And if you're handy, installing it yourself can save you even more. Bonus tip, if you buy appliances around a holiday, there are usually special financing promotions offered too. Now let's talk about cabinets and drawers. Instead of replacing everything, just give them a facelift. A fresh coat of paint can make your kitchen look brand new. You can also upgrade hardware to something sleek and stylish. You can get a 30-pack of drawer pulls for around $30 at Amazon, Home Depot, and Lowe's. If you want to go a step further, you can replace the cabinet doors for around $50 to $90 each and the drawer fronts for $30 to $50. This is a big impact, high style update for a small cost. Now how about those countertops? You can go to a granite yard and ask them to show you remnants. And if you choose something from remnants from what they have in stock, you can sometimes cut your cost in half. You can also go to a prefabricated granite supplier to give you a great look for a fraction of the cost. This is a good option for a kitchen that has simple shaped counters. And don't forget about the backsplash. Adding a new backsplash can give your kitchen a fun, creative touch, and there are tons of budget-friendly options like painted planks, subway tile, or closeout tiles from local shops or Facebook Marketplace, and you can get this done for under $600. You can find someone on Thumbtack to install the tile too. Just choose someone that has good reviews and is responsive when you reach out. And let's not forget about the bathroom. A pre-made bathroom vanity can completely transform the look of the space. You can find vanities for as little as $150, and with some basic plumbing skills, you can install it yourself. And if you need a new shower, consider a prefabricated shower stall. These usually run around $1,000 or less. And if you're not replacing the tub, wall kits alone run around $300 to $600. Now let's step outside. Your home's exterior is just as important. A clean, fresh look can boost curb appeal. Pressure washing is a quick way to refresh your exterior and can cost between $400 to $1,000 if you hire a professional. And if you're up for it, you could grab a hose and cleaning supplies and you could do it yourself and make your house shine for just a few bucks. We do have a great local company called Spotless that is running a promotional right now, and we do highly recommend them. If you want an even bigger transformation, paint the exterior of your home. If you're willing to do it yourself, it'll cost between $500 and $1,300 for supplies, or just repaint the trim for a fresh look at a fraction of the cost. Another idea, add a patio or outdoor decking space. A brick patio will run you around $6 to $11 per square foot, and it's a great way to make your outdoor space more inviting. Also check Facebook Marketplace for outdoor furniture to freshen up your space and add a retreat that you will enjoy. Back inside, a fresh coat of paint can work wonders. So whether you DIY or hire a pro, of course that's up to you. Painting a 10 by 12 room can cost as little as $100 if you do it. And for those with hardwood floors, refinishing them can give your home that wow factor. If the floors are in good shape, you can simply add a protective layer for about $1 to $2 per square foot. See? You don't need to spend a fortune to make your home look amazing. With these easy home renovations, you can transform your space for less than $5,000. So whether you're getting ready to sell or you just want a fresh new look, these updates can make a world of difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home tips and tricks and all things real estate. Message us if you have questions about getting your home ready to sell, and we'll see you next time. Y'all have a good one. Take care.